Assalamualaikum. I will be reading one of my mom's poem, which is one of my favorite. The poem called Nature Talks. The sun has brightened the house with its light, saying, "Come outside, it's fun, sunny. Don't forget to smile as you did last time with my brightness." Birds tweeting to wake up with its alarm, saying, "You need to get on with your duties as I'm doing mine. Don't worry, I'll come on time even if it's dark, without charge." Wind is galing, saying, "Do you want some breeze? I'll cool you, freeze your tension, which you won't need to mention." Rainbow says, "Why are you so dull? Color in multi, you'll be noticed from the distance, enjoying numerous." Rain says, "Don't let harvest dry out. Try out my rain. Give my natural moist to mature in nature. You don't need to capture. I'll come when you need me." Tree says, "I come in small, large sizes. I give oxygen. Come underneath my shade in hot, rainy days. You don't need to stretch. Umbrellas always ready for your needs." The moon appears near as it gets darker. Says, "It's night. Come home. You need rest. Don't forget, if you don't know the new month, I'll remind you with full moon. You won't need to ask." Stars gathering, sparkly light to decorate its house, inviting guests, saying, "Get ready for the party, don't be late. Can't stay long as I'm busy, hurry before it's blurry." I hope you enjoyed listening to the poem. Through this poem, I have realized how much blessings Allah has bestowed upon humanity. Alhamdulillah. Please like the video and subscribe. Assalamualaikum.